Are you ready to elevate your living space and bring the beauty of the outdoors inside? At Texas Folding Doors, we specialize in luxurious, high-quality folding doors that create seamless transitions between your indoor and outdoor spaces, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home. Imagine opening up your living room to a breathtaking garden, or letting the fresh breeze flow through your dining area during a dinner party. With Texas Folding Doors, the possibilities are endless. Our folding doors are designed to provide the ultimate blend of functionality and style, allowing you to make the most of your indoor and outdoor living spaces. Each door is meticulously crafted from premium materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting beauty. Whether you prefer sleek modern designs or classic, timeless styles, we offer a variety of options to suit your unique taste and home aesthetic. But our commitment to excellence doesn't end with our products. Our team of experts ensures a seamless installation process, from start to finish, so you can enjoy your new doors without any hassle. We take pride in delivering exceptional service and quality, making sure every detail is perfect. Join the countless satisfied homeowners who have enhanced their homes with Texas Folding Doors. Our clients not only appreciate the aesthetic and practical benefits of our doors, but also the added value they bring to their properties. A well-designed and expertly installed folding door can significantly increase your home's appeal and market value. Don't just take our word for it. Visit TexasFoldingDoors.com today to explore our range of products and schedule a personalized consultation. Our team will work closely with you to understand your needs and preferences, and help you choose the perfect folding door solution for your home. Transform your living space with Texas Folding Doors, where luxury meets functionality, and the beauty of the outdoors becomes an integral part of your home. Texas Folding Doors, bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside.